Are you aware of the hazards that can be posed just with your water hose? Let's learn more about backflow prevention in this episode of BPUB Central. I'm Ryan Greenfeld. Thanks for tuning in. Joining us this time is Danny Perales. He is the Cross-Connection Compliance Coordinator at BPUB. Danny, first off, can you explain to everyone what is backflow?
Backflow is the undesired flow of water in the distribution. That usually happens when there's a water main break or a water rupture. That water tends to flow back in the distribution.
Can you explain to us a little bit better what exactly is a cross-connection?
A cross-connection is a regular water hose left unattended with the chemical or fertilizer sprayer. That chemicals can get back into the water distribution or the plumbing of the house. If there's a water main break or water main rupture, water can backflow or get back siphoned into the distribution.
Can you show us some examples of some backflow prevention devices?
I have 4 backflow prevention devices that are used out in the distribution. This is a pressure type vacuum breaker, double check valve assembly, hose bait vacuum breaker, usually used on a garden hose just like that, and a reduced pressure principle backflow prevention assembly. This type of valve is used when a customer has auxiliary water on the property. That's basically resaca water or well water. We ask customers to install a testable backflow prevention assembly. Something like this with 2 check valves, and it's got a relief valve on the bottom. They need to be tested annually, and we mail out reports to the customers to have the valves tested annually. This one's a double check valve assembly, also used on a sprinkler system, maybe a fire system. Basically what happens here is water from the distribution comes in through the valve, pushes the check valves open and lets the water go through. When the valves are closed, it doesn't let the water go back into the distribution. This other one is a pressure type vacuum breaker. These are usually or mainly used on a lawn sprinkler system. And they also do the same thing, just water comes in, goes through the valve and doesn't let the water get back, or doesn't let the water flow back into the distribution. We talked about earlier about the garden hose, the left unattended, the hose bait vacuum breaker is mainly used to prevent something like that left unattended. What this will do is won't let those chemicals get back into the drinking water supply.
Mr. Perales, thank you very much for joining us and giving us that information. If you'd like to learn more about backflow prevention, you can go to the BPUB website or call 956-983-6519. I'm Ryan Greenfeld. We'll see you next time.